Bootstrap Developer Guide. Create a folder Bootstrap. Inside that, you need mouse. Okay, so you create a folder Bootstrap. Under the Bootstrap folder, put some photos, and after that, create a file there, Bootstrap Developer Guide. Bootstrap Developer Guide. चार्जर किसका केबल उसमें 87 नंबर Done till here. Now open the website called getbootstrap.com. 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 Open the website. Hello. Hello. Yeah, we are here only. Data science is not available. Java, Python, UI, Angular, React, this courses, software testing. No, not available. Only development course. Open the website, getbootstrap.com. You will click on here in the right hand side. Okay, this showing version, latest version 5.2. Maybe if you scroll down little, you will find option of download. Where are you download? No problem. We have here called docs. Click on docs. But where is it? Okay. In docs, you have download. Click on docs. Then the first link is called download. Docs. After that, the first link is download. Click on that. And then you will click on download source. Download source. You will click on download source. Or click on download source. This URL I will send you in your chat directly. Download URL. Come to your chat. Okay, so folder downloaded. Take your downloaded folder and paste in. Take the downloaded folder and paste in your BootStrap folder. Copy the downloaded folder. Paste in BootStrap folder. Right? This folder is zip folder. You cannot do anything under the zip folder. You have to do the right click and extract. Right click and extract. Right click and extract or extract all. Right click, extract or extract all. Okay, hope extracted everyone. Folder we have downloaded and we have extracted, right? So this, after extracting, the zip folder is not required, you can delete that. Zip folder is not required, you can delete that. Zip folder is not required, you can delete that. Okay, so hope ready. Now go under this folder, the folder you have extracted. You have a dist folder, D-I-S-T. Check once, any dist folder inside? DIST, dist folder. You got this folder? You downloaded that is this one, BootStrap?
Downloaded, but it is not coming, not being noticed.
Not getting downloaded. Hmm?
5 times downloaded.
5 times why downloaded. Download किया 5 times. Click on download. Wait, cancel out. Keep only one. Last one is one. Don't cancel the last one. Cancel the last one. One, let it go. Otherwise, to cancel anyone. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. That's it. Phone. Oh, here. Okay, so dist folder you found inside. Now copy this dist folder. Copy the dist folder and paste in your main BootStrap folder. Copy and come back and paste outside. Where you have put the photo, you have put the developer guide. Okay, and other things. Okay. Okay, multiple calls are now. Hello? Yes, madam, tell me. Address is there, no? You have already with you. Next, after that, go to the dist folder. Dist folder. Inside the dist folder, you have JS folder and CSS folder, right? Two folders is there, JS and CSS. Under the CSS folder, you have so many CSS files. Go over there. Under the CSS folder, so many CSS file, correct? In that, you don't need all. You need one file, that is the first one. You need one file, that is the first one. What is the first one? Bootstrap. If you want, you can delete remaining other. You can keep only one file Bootstrap. Or if you don't feel much overload, then let it be here. No, so we will be using this file. Which file? Bootstrap.css. Okay, other file if you want delete, you can delete also. If you want keep also. Okay, if you keep also, you are not going to use other file. If you delete also, you are not going to use other file. You will be using only one file, that is called Bootstrap. Okay. Come down. If you go under the if you go under the dist folder, or dist folder we have gone through. Now again, under the dist folder, the file was there called bootstrap.css file. That is the main file you are going to use. That is the one library of Bootstrap. Okay, inside entire algorithm, all theory, everything is written inside. What is that? If you want to open, let it be there. Don't open as of now. We will open it after some time. Now come back to again the Bootstrap 5.2 folder that you have downloaded. In this folder, you have come to this folder and find out the site folder. And find out which folder? Site folder. Under the site folder, under the site folder, you have a folder called content. Under the site folder, you have a folder called content. Is it? Content is there. Go under content, you have a docs. Go under the docs 5.2, 5.2 or 5.1. One folder is here called examples folder. One folder you have called examples folder. Okay. Found example folder. This example folder have lot of type of example, like rule regulation of Bootstrap, how to write, where to write, so many 100 classes, many things we are going to remember. We will make a note in developer guide, but some examples are there that you can't remember. Okay, some examples are there that you can't remember. So in that case, the people who has made this Bootstrap library, They also understand like this is a complex line, complex code, and huge class name. Definitely person cannot remember. So they are given a folder. Okay, in that folder you can see so many folders are there. One folder is one feature. One folder is not feature, you can say different type of examples are there. So what we required after learning half of the bootstrap, we required some help from this folder, from the example folder. Maybe we have to come to this example for one time. Maybe we have to come 2 times. Maybe we have to come 3 times. Maybe we have to come 10 times to copy something. So instead of that, every time crossing the entire URL and path, better copy this example folder. Copy this example folder. Like suppose you need to come to this example folder many times. So you will forget the path. So better than that, example folder itself copy and paste outside. So whenever we required, we'll go to directly example folder. No need to go to the dash here, there, and many places. So copy this example folder and paste in your main folder directly. Copy and paste in the main folder directly. Okay, example folder. You kept under the main folder. Now, whenever we have to copy anything, directly we can go to the example folder. We no need to cross so many a path here, there inside. Okay, dist folder is the main library. Example folder will support us after half examples, after half syllabus. Photo we have added here directly. Whenever we required, we can use some photos. Developer guide we have created to make the notes. So hope you are ready with everything. Now open developer guide in your Notepad++ or whichever the editor you follow. Okay, developer guide is opened. Now we'll come to the developer guide file. In this, we will write some theories about the bootstrap, who wrote, when wrote. After that, algorithm of the bootstrap, list of the classes that we are going to use under the bootstrap. Everything will write here. Okay. So next, create a new file. Give the file name test.html. Test.html and store that file under bootstrap folder. That is here. That is here. File name is called test.html In which folder? Bootstrap. The test file, developer guide, photos, dist, example, all are in one folder only. All are at one place. Okay, hope ready? Test file. Come to the test file. You can go to your folder, Bootstrap folder, and check there. Test file is there or not. If it is here, there, then it will not work. Test file should be in which folder? Bootstrap, where dist is. Dist and test both should be in one folder. Okay. Now you will write here HTML. You will start from, and you will use here called head. You will use here called link. REL equal to style set. Style set. href equal to dist slash css slash dist slash css slash boot strap dot css. Will come down, will open the body, close the body, then write here h1 bootstrap. You are great. Bootstrap is great. Then for h1 you will use a class equal to text hyphen danger. Run your file and let me know. Bootstrap is great. Greate, right? Spelling great. Bootstrap is great. Text danger. Save the file. Run this page. If Bootstrap is great is coming in the red color, then everything is fine. You are on the track. It should come in red color. If it is coming in the red color, then Not working, that meaning check your file is not in proper place. Not working, that meaning your file is not on proper place. You can check the code. Check the code, check the file is saved or not. Along with that, also you can check like file is in the same folder or file is somewhere else. You have saved somewhere else, your folder is somewhere else. Those all are the possibility. You can see it's coming red color. Okay. So this, the red color is coming. The red color is coming, right? This is coming from red. We have not written anywhere. So where it's come from? From this file called bootstrap.css file. Inside that, there will be class called text danger, and under the text danger, it will be written color red, and then wherever you call the bootstrap.css file, it will give you the red color. So it is a ready-made feature. Bootstrap is a ready-made CSS file that we have to use wherever we want, and we need to remember their list of the classes, which class are for what purpose, and where it is, and how to use that. Okay. Now come to the developer guide. Right inside few notes. What is that? Bootstrap is a library of CSS. Bootstrap is library of CSS. Okay. It was introduced by Twitter in 2011. It has predefined collections of CSS classes. Library. Bootstrap is a library of CSS. Library spelling Libray. Correct, no? Bootstrap is a library of CSS. It is a framework of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but library of CSS. It was introduced by Twitter in the 11. Then it has a predefined collection of CSS classes. It used to design responsive web page. It used to design responsive web page. It used to design the responsive web page. Next, after that, you can write bootstrap BootStrap is designed based on BootStrap, not designed. You can say BootStrap has a, you can say it is open. Okay. BootStrap has a feature, you can say, called BootStrap is a feature called grid system. BootStrap has a feature called grid system. BootStrap is a feature called grid system. It has, then you can write below the grid system. The grid system has divided divided. Grid system has divided all the device in 6 types. 6 types based on screen width. The grid system has divided all the device, all the all the devices in 6 types based on screen width. What are those? One is called extra small. Second is called small. Third is called medium. Fourth is called large. Fifth is called extra large. Sixth is called double extra large. Okay, so these all are total how many types? 6 types. Extra small, medium large, extra large, and then double extra large. I have written triple extra large. It should be double extra large. Now extra small, what is the screen size? Small, what is the screen size? Medium, what is the screen size? That we have to understand next. So let me guide you. Okay, so we can write here 0 to 577, 0 to px2, screen width 1 px2, 576 px, 576 px. Next we have 500 screen width, 577 px2, 768 px. Screen width 577 px2, 577 px to 768 px. Okay, 768 px. That is called which device? Small device. Now medium device. Screen width start from 769 px to 992 px. 769 px to 992 px. That is called 769 px to 992 px. That is called a medium device. Screen width 993 px to 1200 px is called a which one? Large device. Screen width 1201 px to 1 px to 1400. College which one? Extra large. Then screen width greater than 1401 px is called which one? Double extra large. So this is the list of the device and their screen size. List of device and the screen size. Okay, hope ready. So BootStrap is a library of CSS. It was given by Twitter in 11. It has a lot of classes that we are going to remember. And the functionality of BootStrap is it will help you to design a responsive web page. After that, it has a feature called grid system. According to grid system, whichever the device we use in the market, whichever the device represent here, not your washing machine, not your fridge, it represents those devices. Using that, we open the website. So that is called as a mobile phone, tab, laptop, mini laptop, and desktop. That represent the device. Okay. And those devices whose screen size is where to where? 1 pixel to till 1400 pixel. There is a range. Okay. In that 1 to 576 is called a extra small. 577 to 768 called a small. 769 to 992 called a medium. 993 to 1200 called a large. 1201 to 1400 called a extra large. And greater than 1400 called a double extra large. Okay, next after this, you will come down and charger. After that, after that, charger is not there. Then where it is? Is here, here. Okay, so next after this, come down. Below we have to write the list of the classes. Below we have to write the list of the classes. Which class is available for a small device? So write point number 1, or you can write here BootStrap grid system has given 12 classes for each type of device. Each type of device. BootStrap grid system, GRID, has given 12 classes for each type of device. Now total how many type of device we have? 6 type of device we have. 6 into 12, 72. Hello. Now, where are you? Lakshmi Layout, Gandhinagar Main Road, 9th Cross. Monica near government store. Gandhinagar main road. हाँ Gandhinagar main road. हाँ 9th क्रॉस 9th रुकिए मैं बताता हूँ आपको 9th क्रॉस में जाके लास्ट में डेड एंड लेफ्ट साइड न्यू बिल्डिंग सेकंड फ्लोर but it's not written in the second floor room number 2. Yeah, Gandhinagar main road 9th floor. Okay, so hope you are here. So what we wrote, BootStrap grade system has given 12 classes for each type of devices. Now right here for point number 1, that is called extra small. For extra small, what are the predefined classes we have? We have to make a note. It's called call-1, call-2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now change the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These classes we are going to use if we target that our page should work in mobile phone. How to use this number system, that I will guide you. This is the main algorithm of BootStrap. If you understand this algorithm, then you will include the BootStrap. 1 to 12. For which device? So whichever the website you open on internet, if the website is designed using the BootStrap and if it fit properly in the mobile phone, that meaning class 1 to 12 is getting executed. Okay. If you open a website in the mobile phone and if the page fitting properly in mobile phone and if page is designed using the BootStrap, that meaning this class work there. That is called call 1 to 12. Now how the grid system work, I will guide you. Next, go ahead. Write the next class call. Second one, what is called? Small. You will take the same class and you have to add in that SM. 1 to 12 remains same, whereas in that we have to add the SM. Call hyphen SM hyphen just add the SM in that. Call SM1 to call SM12. Okay, so hope written where to where? Call 1 to call 12. Call SM1 to call SM12. Let's go ahead. What is the third device? Third device is medium. Third device is medium. For that, we have option called MD. Come down. Point number 3. Medium. Call MD1 to call MD12. MD1 to call MD12. Okay, so hope for MD be written. Medium device 1 to 12. So you got total 36 classes. Next, fourth one you have called large. That is from call LG1 to call LG12. So there LG will come. Write it. Call LG1 to call LG12. Okay, hope done. Come down. Next we have call Excel. So we can apply instead of LG, you can write as Excel. Fifth one, extra large. Extra large. Excel. Excel, open Excel. Not Excel open close. It is just instead of LG, you replace by Excel, 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 and Excel. Excel. Okay. After that, what is the next? Excel is the fifth one, correct? Excel is the fifth one. Now after this, you have double Excel. Double X you can apply 6 point. Double extra large. Double extra large. Double X. X replaced by double X. So how many classes we wrote? Total 72. Seventy-two classes from the grade system. So will you remember 72 classes? Call 1 to 12, call SM 1 to 12, call MD 1 to 12, call LG 1 to 12, call XL 1 to 12, and call double XL 1 to 12. Okay. So to implement this, we required sufficient time. Half an hour time is required to understand the grid system. That will not do today. We'll do tomorrow. Tomorrow you will log in at 10 o'clock nearly, because 8 o'clock is the first class, 8 to 10. 10 to 11:30 or 12 o'clock I can cover for you tomorrow. Okay, so for today, let it be this much. List of the classes plus basic understanding. Now implementation of the grid system we'll do tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we can log in 10 o'clock, 10 to somewhere 11:30 or 12. Sunday some work will be in the morning, early morning.
Let's see the library part of this, BootStrap. Yes, it's the library where we.
BootStrap is a library of CSS, and it is the framework of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. When we merge multiple technology, then we can say the framework. When we use single technology, then it is called a library. Okay. Okay. So similar way, Angular is called a framework because it has a combination of multiple functionality, many technology together. Okay. But React is called a library because React is especially under the JavaScript, and Angular is JavaScript also, TypeScript also, and many others. So, JSON, nothing. It is kind of a cartoon where we can store the data. JSON is not a library. It's not a language. Okay, so hope you return. See you tomorrow. 10 o'clock you can log in. We will not wait.